Big mouth. Someone who talks too much or cannot keep secrets. Example: keep this a secret. Don't tell Jake, he's got a big mouth. Nail biter. A situation that is very tense or exciting. Example: the final seconds of the game were a real nail biter. Eye candy. Someone or something that is very attractive or pleasing to look at. Example: have you seen the new sports car downtown? It's total eye candy. Tight spot. A difficult or uncomfortable situation. Example: I'm in a tight spot. I accidentally double-booked my appointments. Cold fish. Someone who is very reserved or unemotional. Example: she didn't even smile when she heard the good news. She's a bit of a cold fish. Busy bee. A person who is always busy or active. Example: he's been running around all day handling chores. A real busy bee. In a split second. Very quickly, in an instant. Example: everything changed in a split second after the announcement. Early bird. Someone who wakes up very early in the morning. Example: I always see her jogging at 5 a.m. She's an early bird. Old school. A term used to describe traditional or old-fashioned methods, ideas, or styles. Example: he prefers typewriters to computers. Totally old school. Have a short fuse. To get angry very quickly. Example: be careful what you say around him. He's got a short fuse. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.